Hey guys, so we have launched our thin MCP layer a few days ago as a unified interface for any LLM apps to enable you to do SEO. MCPs fundamentally has three problems, right? The first one is the effort that you require to connect to different sources. So if you want to do SEO properly, you probably need to have 10, 15 different tools that you need to connect to. That includes your CMS, maybe SEMrush data for SEO. A couple of similar data sources where you can fetch data from, and action places where you can apply actions to, like a social media account or your CMS, etc. Connecting all of this MCP tool brings a lot of tokens into the context and reduces the accuracy, but also it increases a lot of effort on your side to make sure the cost is managed. Because if you connect something like SEMrush and do a lot of keyword research, your credits would be consumed very quickly. So as a marketer or an SEO professional, you will have to do like a lot of management, figuring out how to do things. Which is why we believe our thin MCP layer is an ideal solution for any SEO task. And our goal is to make this as a single interface that anyone require to do any sort of SEO task. So if there is anything that our MCP layer is not able to do, please let us know, and we would be very, very curious to work on those integrations or whatever that feature is and enable it for you. So we have released this very recently, and we are making it available for some early users for free with 1,000 credits that you get for free. But you get a bunch of things also along with that, right? So when you sign up to Berlin, basically to get this access, you sign up to Berlin, and when you sign up, you see a page like this. And this page is the first page that's gonna welcome you, and you sort of have to enter your website, and then you will have to go through that onboarding process where Berlin collects a lot of information from the internet and present it to you. Once you're done with that, you will land on a dashboard like this. In this dashboard, you have this button at the bottom, Claude Cowork, or if you're using GPT Codex, you can pick that option as well. So this pop-up will essentially guide you to set up how to set up Agent Berlin MCP with your Claude Cowork or ChatGPT Codex. Note that because we use a different technique through our MCP, your regular ChatGPT chat application or Claude chat doesn't really do any good, right? So you need to have Claude Cowork. So if you go to Claude, on the top you have chat, Cowork, and code. This is what you normally get, but you need to move to Cowork for things to work. Similar to that, you can't use the regular ChatGPT app. You need to have the Codex app if you were to use Berlin. Okay, so you have the instructions there. Once you set up Claude Cowork or Codex to work with our MCP, you can go to integrations and connect your data sources like GA4 Analytics, Google Search Console Analytics, Bing Webmaster Tool, or your CMS. If you have a Reddit token, you could connect that. You could two things that we are giving away for free now is crawling your website's entire pages. Even if your page has like 100,000, 200,000, 2 million pages, we would crawl that. And also your competitors' pages. And we also pull keyword from different sources and then present it to the MCP in a very efficient way, so you don't consume a lot of credits when you go back and forth, when your LLM goes back and forth with the keyword data source. So you click on these two collect buttons, and then the job will be triggered. Because we have people signing up these days a lot, there's like a bit of a volume that we can't manage easily. So it might take like few hours for the pages and keyword pulling to complete. 3-4 hours should not be more than that. If you face any difficulties, please reach out to me, LinkedIn, or by chatting and by email or whatever, and then I will get to your case as soon as possible. Once you're done with the integration, you can basically go to Claude Cowork and then ask literally any question, whether that is for doing keyword research or doing some actions on your CMS. It could be basically anything, right? A small task like find all the 404 pages in my website, and then find the most similar page I can do a redirection to, and then go to my CMS and automatically do this. Simple things like that, but also harder things like managing my entire SEO, right? So basically Claude will figure out the strategy based on the guidance MCP give and then start executing those things. Please use it for the next few days and give us feedback. I'm very certain that you would love it. Cheers.